Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to calibrate a 3D printer. The one that we have is a DaVinci 1.0A from XYZ Printing. So, although the printer already has a calibrate button, as seen here, we have an easier way which only requires a sheet of paper. First, we need to get the printer to be printing, and the easiest way to do that is by having it build a sample. Here's the thing, when the printer starts printing and the print head touches the platform, turn it off. Now you can move the head freely, but be careful because it's really hot. The printer has 3 calibration screws, there, and there. Move the head above the first one. If you move the screw to the right, the platform lowers. And if you move it to the left, the platform raises. We're gonna calibrate the first screw. You lower the platform, move the paper under it, and then raise it so that the print head is touching the paper, but you're still able to move it. Repeat the steps that I just said for the other 3 screws. There's 2. And voila! The printer is now calibrated.